Hello, hello. Look at all this. Whole week of meal, no stove, no cooking. This is a Hotpot noodle jar. You just stack the ingredients, make in the microwave. So I got a comment here. This one is for dorm, for your office, or just tired mom like you. We just stack the raw ingredients, only use microwave. And stay to the end. I will show you this freezer hack that changes everything for the week. And some extra jar bonus just for you. 开始! Let's build your first jar, curry fish bowl, udon noodles. You can chop all the ingredients, everything first. For the udon noodles, we put in first. They need to soak up all that flavor. Then second layer, onions, potato, and carrots. Vegetables in the middle. Then we add this curry cubes on the top. And the next one, we add frozen fish balls, crab sticks, anything you like. This you can get in Asian market. Easy. If you take this to work, I suggest you cover with plastic wrap first, since you probably don't have in your office. You wrap it. You can poke some holes at home first, or you go to the office, leave one corner open like that. So actually my container lid has this vent right here. You don't have to use a plastic wrap. So when you're ready to eat, add water, the 2/3 of the jar. Just measure with your Chinese eyeballs. If you don't have Chinese eyeballs, take a measuring tape. And put in the microwave for about 8 minutes. Then in the middle, you want to mix up the curry a little bit, but be careful the hot steam. And then, look at that. This is ready. Look at how thick the curry turned out, mixed up. I can't wait to taste one. And I will show you how to do this for the week. Stay with me to the end. Okay, those jar meals, life-changing, any time of the day. But you know what I always say? Rice is life. Dinner without rice, it's not dinner. I was skeptical, but this Our Place rice cooker actually really impressed me. My viral tomato rice, I just threw rice, tomato, everything in, whatever vegetable I have. Little soy sauce, oyster sauce, press one button. Look at this. Just press the tomato, mix up everything. Oh, delicious. And next one, when I want to eat hot pot, but I don't want to set up everything. I just put everything in the rice cooker, then hot pot's ready. Give a little mix. It's red, spicy, and so rich. And this one is my kids' favorite. You just cook the chicken, onions with water first. Put curry cubes in. Cook a few more minutes. Look, the sauce gets thick and golden. Stirring it, serve right on top of your rice. So good. The rice is so fluffy, not mushy, not dry. Smart system adjusts the heat while it cooks. You cannot mess up. Quick cook mode is when you forgot to start dinner, and this keep it warm after you cook it. Inside is ceramic pot made without any of those harmful coatings. Easy to clean. I've been using this almost every day. Link below. Use my code CookingBomb10 to get 10% off. Let's do next one. Number 2, mushroom chicken noodle soup. Here, I got 2 versions today. The regular one is with mung bean noodles on the bottom with some mushrooms, enoki mushroom. But this one, if you can recognize, it's called 虫草花. Here's the English name, which I don't know how to say that. This you need to soak. Then on the top, we put some leftover chicken. I have the chicken from my last night's soup. And you can use rotisserie chicken or any cooked chicken. If you don't have homemade chicken soup, you can use the chicken powder, of course, like a Knorr, or this chicken paste. You can dilute it with a little bit of water, make a concentration, then pour in. When you're ready to eat your lunch or dinner, just add hot water. Still, 2/3 of the jar. And cover, poke some holes. In microwave, 5 minutes. Depends how much food, maybe 6 for you, right? For the vegan version, I use rice noodles. You can pick whatever noodles you like. We use the tofu skin. Tofu skin, it's good protein too. First one is ready. Chicken mushroom noodle soup. Wow, look at the noodles, so hot. The vegan version is with rice noodles, which has a different texture than the mung bean noodles. But same thing, I have the freezer hack for this one. You can prepare for the week. So stay with me. I will show you. So number 3, for people who love spicy food, this is a hot pot in a jar. So in the bottom, you can pick any noodles, like the rice noodles or mung bean noodles. Today, I use instant ramen, which elevate your instant noodles. Put that noodles on the bottom. Some vitamins, so we add bean sprouts and tomato. Mushroom, that's always good in the hot pot. So for hot pot base, you can buy these from Asian market. I got this big soup base. You just use a small piece of the soup base because they are strong, they're spicy. Unless you like me, you like spicy, add more. And on the top, some Spam. Yes, you can use any sausage, anything you like, but I love Spam for hot pot. This one, the tomato will add a lot of liquid, but we still need to add water. Just measure with your eyeballs. Now microwave 6 to 8 minutes. Yeah, the hot pot is here. Look, everything's red and shining, and the tomato melted in the soup. The whole room smells like hot pot. Be careful with your boss. He might want to have a talk with you or have a bite. If you're in a dorm, everyone wants a bite. So please share. Sharing is caring, right? We'll save this in the end for you. For next one, almost there, number 4, for this beef miso tofu pot, layering with napa cabbage first on the bottom. Then add tofu, your protein, and mushrooms. I have 3 different kind of mushrooms here. Enoki on the top. And in the end, we add the frozen beef rolls. Those I got from Costco. You can check out the video here. You can put it right on top, like that. Adding water, mix the miso paste, pour in. Then we add more hot water. We got this miso soup base. Oh, and we cover it 6 to 8 minutes. Now the beef miso pot. It is so warm. If you don't tell anyone this is a microwave, nobody will know. Who's gonna know? They think it's just fresh made from scratch. You scoop all the way bottom, get the tofu mushroom on the top. Look at that. Wow, so warm, the steam, fragrant. Okay, let's do next one. Thank you guys staying here with me. Last one is a rice dish. Spicy beef rice. I have a little extra bonus for you. Vegan version. Look at that. But first, let's build the beef one. We slice the beef thin, then we marinate the beef with douban, soy sauce, and cooking wine. Mix well. In the end, we add some cooking oil to seal, lock the flavor, and beef will be tender. Wash your rice first, then put on the bottom. Yes, rice gonna soak up all the flavor. Then we put the beef on top of the rice. Add any mushroom you like, and shredded carrots. A little bit corn. I add some spinach on the top, which I will cook for a minute. I'll take the spinach out, then keep cooking my pot. This rice dish, you need water. I would say average 8 minutes. If your rice still a little raw, cook a little bit longer. And this vegan version. Look, instead of beef, the protein here is tofu skin and edamame. Just the edamame is 17 grams of protein here, plus tofu skin. Let's cook the rice. Look at that. So you have 2 choices, either with the Korean gochujang sauce or Chinese sweet bean paste. For the beef one, I'm adding the spicy pepper sauce. Mix it together. Look at this. So good. I would say the microwave rice, you have to try this. This is not bad. Like a quick lunch, quick solution for everyday life. I'm adding the bean paste. The vegan version tastes as good as this, just not spicy. You can make a bunch of those curry, put in a Ziploc, maybe prepare 5. You want to eat, take out frozen. You don't have to defrost it. Put in a bowl, add water. You microwave a couple minutes longer. So about the curry, when you freeze all ingredients except potato, you can pre-cook the potato in the microwave, then freeze them. Otherwise, the frozen raw potato doesn't taste that good. Otherwise, just take the potatoes out. Leave other vegetables in. Next one is the freezer hack is this mushroom chicken noodle soup. We can Also, do the meal prep on the weekend, put them in a Ziploc, then freeze them. And when it's time to eat, we take out frozen, add hot water, then microwave. If you have time, put the frozen noodles in a pot, add water, just boil on a stove. It's warm, right? If you're at home, have a stove. But if not, microwave is fine. That works, all right? Let's taste all. First one, we made the curry, right? The noodles is, I like the noodle a little bit chewy. Curry sauce in here, so much flavor and fishbowl. Let's taste the mushroom chicken noodle soup. The soup. Oh, the chicken base is good. And the vegan version, if you like rice noodles, this one is for you. Our Hotpot bowl. If you want to stay up all night, watch some Netflix, this is for you. Totally. This one pretty spicy. I put a little more extra, the soup base in here. So good. I'm start sweating. I'm tasting this one. After I have that spicy hot pot, have some miso soup with beef. What a treat. The beef is so tender. Look at that. Juicy beef, soft veggie. The napa soak up all the miso flavor too. If you like this, let me know. If you like more steamed meal prep or microwave, I have so many traditional Chinese wellness recipes. Maybe about gut health, your hair growth, no gray hair. Hello. This one is for you. So good. I will see you next week. 不见不散哦. So don't forget to subscribe. You already watch it here. And like this video. So you can get more people to eat some fresh food. No takeout. Remember that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.